Embracing diversity and inclusion in recruitment, building a stronger workforce. Introduction. In today's rapidly evolving workplace, diversity and inclusion have become more than just buzzwords. They're crucial elements for building a strong and successful team. Companies that prioritize diversity and inclusion in their recruitment efforts not only create a more welcoming and innovative work environment, but also stand out as leaders in their industries. Let's delve into why diversity and inclusion are essential in hiring and explore some inspiring success stories from companies that have embraced these principles. Importance of diversity and inclusion in recruitment. Diversity and inclusion in recruitment are vital for several reasons. Firstly, diverse teams bring a variety of perspectives, experiences, and ideas to the table, fostering creativity and innovation. Studies have shown that diverse teams are more likely to come up with innovative solutions and outperform homogeneous teams. Secondly, diversity and inclusion are essential for creating a more inclusive work culture where every employee feels valued and respected. This, in turn, leads to higher employee morale, engagement, and retention rates. Employees are more likely to be productive and loyal to companies that prioritize their well-being and create a sense of belonging. Furthermore, embracing diversity and inclusion in recruitment is not just the right thing to do morally, but it also makes good business sense. Companies that have diverse workforces are better equipped to understand and cater to a diverse customer base, leading to improved customer satisfaction and loyalty. Success stories of companies embracing diversity and inclusion. Many companies have successfully embraced diversity and inclusion in their recruitment practices and have reaped the rewards. One such company is Microsoft, which has made significant strides in diversifying its workforce. Under the leadership of CEO Satya Nadella, Microsoft has implemented various initiatives to increase diversity, including unconscious bias training for hiring managers and setting diversity goals for its workforce. Another success story is that of Airbnb, which has implemented a policy called the Rooney Rule for its executive team. This rule requires that at least one minority candidate is interviewed for every open leadership position. This initiative has helped Airbnb increase the diversity of its leadership team and has led to a more inclusive work culture. Similarly, Google has been proactive in promoting diversity and inclusion in its workforce. The company has implemented programs such as employee resource groups and unconscious bias training to create a more inclusive work environment. As a result, Google has seen an increase in the diversity of its workforce, particularly in its technical roles. Conclusion. In conclusion, diversity and inclusion are essential elements of successful recruitment practices. By embracing diversity and inclusion, companies can create a more innovative, inclusive, and productive work environment. The success stories of companies like Microsoft, Airbnb, and Google serve as inspiration for other organizations looking to prioritize diversity and inclusion in their hiring processes. Let's continue to champion diversity and inclusion in recruitment to build stronger, more successful teams and workplaces. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on building a diverse and inclusive workforce.